Greetings students. So the basic introduction of acids, what are the types of acid, how we can define the acid is already discussed in the last module. In this module we will discuss about the properties of acids. As you are already aware, acids are those substances which give H ion when dissolved into the water. When put into the water वो क्या देते हैं? H ion देते हैं. Now few of the property that I have written here, you are already aware, they are sour in taste, they can change. If question is the right properties of acid, there are two types of properties generally: physical properties, chemical properties. If the question is in general write the properties, you can write any of these properties, either physical or chemical. So they are sour in taste, they can change the color of litmus paper. You can also write the other, they can change the color of red cabbage extract, change the color of turmeric, if you want to increase the number of points. Next is, but try to avoid this. Next is they are corrosive in nature, means acids are corrosive in nature. The simplest meaning of this word corrosive is कि वो खराब कर देते हैं. If you can assume कि एसिड हमारे हाथ पे गिरता है तो हमारी स्किन जल जाती है. एसिड हमारे कपड़ों पे गिर जाएगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड HCl, नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, तो होल्स हो जाएंगे हमारे कपड़ों के ऊपर. तो be careful. One more question that can come from this topic is whether we can store the acid in metal container or not. So it is highly suggested that never store the acids in metal container, because metal react with the acid to produce number of substances. तो धीरे धीरे वो एसिड जिसको हमने मेटल के कंटेनर में स्टोर किया है वो मेटल के कंटेनर के साथ केमिकली रिएक्ट करेगा और मेटल को धीरे धीरे अपने अंदर क्या कर लेगा, डिसोल्व कर लेगा. सो it should be avoided. So in place of metal we can use the glass, ceramic, and now we are using the plastic. कि जो किसी के साथ एसिड जिसको हमने उसके अंदर स्टोर किया उसके साथ रिएक्ट ना करे. तो पहले हम ग्लास यूज करते थे, सिरामिक्स यूज करते थे, आजकल हम प्लास्टिक यूज करते हैं. तो आई होप दिस first few properties are clear to everyone. Next is the chemical properties of acid. So in this module we will discuss about the two chemical properties of acid. First is reaction of acid with metals, reaction of acid with metal oxides. So first we will discuss is acid with metal. So the general reaction in both the cases is already written. Acid reacts with the metals to produce salt एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. की एसिड जो हैं वो मेटल के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, सोल्ट और हाइड्रोजन गैस बनाते हैं. लेट्स टेक दी एग्जांपल्स. HCl, वी कैन से लेट अज्यूम एक्वस, क्योंकि तभी वो H आयन देने वाले हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस डाइल्यूट. डाइल्यूट मतलब पानी मिला हुआ है एसिड के अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक दी वन ऑफ द हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल, sodium in solid form. When put into the HCl they produce sodium chloride, and all of you are already aware sodium chloride क्या होता है, नमक, which is soluble in water. That is why I have written aqueous, because it will remain in the dissolved state and you will also get the hydrogen gas. The upward arrow will indicate the release of hydrogen gas. Similarly sulfuric acid plus potassium metal, same. Dilute sulfuric acid, potassium metal, it will form a salt, potassium sulfate. So it is also soluble in water, aqueous, and it will release hydrogen gas. Similarly, reaction of HCl with the calcium metal, it will form calcium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Similarly you can write few more examples of reaction with metal. So acid reacts with the metal to produce salt plus hydrogen gas. For example, first is hydrochloric acid is reacting with the sodium metal to produce sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Sulfuric acid reacting with the potassium metal to produce potassium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. HCl reacting with the calcium to produce calcium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Similarly sulfuric acid react with the calcium to produce calcium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So there are number of metals that exist in the nature that react with the acids to produce hydrogen gas. So one more question that can come from this topic is they can give you in the form of activity ki we have a test tube and there is a piece of metal or granules of metal zinc and then we add the sulfuric acid. There will be release of gas, colorless, odorless, कोई smell नहीं है, कोई color नहीं है. So how we can identify that gas? We can identify that gas by the Pope sound test. You are already aware about the test of hydrogen gas. कि Pope sound test में हम क्या करते हैं? We take a burning splinter and place it near the gas which is evolving from this test tube. की जो test tube में से गैस निकल रही है उसके बिल्कुल पास में लेके आते हैं और एक पटाखे के जैसी आवाज निकलती है उसके अंदर से. So if you want to write the chemical reaction of this zinc plus sulfuric acid, you can write the dilute zinc in solid form react together to produce zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So one more thing that you can conclude from this. What are acids? Which are sour in taste. वो तो अलग बात हो गई. So as you are already aware, acid and base are exactly opposite to each other in chemical nature. So if acid is reacting with one of the substance, so substance is showing the basic behavior. So metals are generally basic in general. So metals are generally basic in nature. कि सोडियम मेटल है, इनको एल्कली मेटल्स बोलते हैं हम. एल्कली मेटल के ग्रुप में ये भी एल्कली मेटल है, ये एल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल है. तो दे आर रिएक्टिंग विद द एसिड्स, मीन दे आर बेसिक इन नेचर. क्योंकि जो एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट नेचर होगा तभी जाके वो केमिकली एक दूसरे के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे. सो आई होप दिस पोप साउंड टेस्ट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. व्हाट इज द जनरल रिएक्शन? सो एसिड विद द मेटल प्लस सोल्ट प्लस हाइड्रोजन गैस. सो one more question that comes from this reaction with metal is why should curd and other acidic substances should not be stored in copper vessel and brass vessel? Because that copper metal will react with the organic acids or weak acid which are present in the curd to form the complex molecule. तो वो उनके साथ chemically react कर लेता है, complex molecule बनाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो complex molecule क्या होते हैं? They are toxic in nature. So try to avoid क्या बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना है to store the curd and other natural acidic substances in the metal container. Next is second chemical reaction or chemical property of acid is reaction with the metal oxides. So there are number of metal oxides. For example, HCl react with the metal oxide Na2O, which is a metal oxide sodium oxide. तो मेटल ऑक्साइड जनरली क्या होते हैं? बेसिक इन नेचर. तो दे बोथ रिएक्ट विद ईच अदर टू प्रोड्यूस सोडियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर. यू कैन आइदर टेक इन सॉलिड फॉर्म, यू हैव टू टेक इट इन सॉलिड फॉर्म, नहीं तो वो उसके साथ वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट कर लेगा बिकॉज दे आर हाईली रिएक्टिव. सिमिलरली HCl reacting with the calcium oxide. What is the general name of calcium oxide? Quicklime. So quicklime react with the HCl to produce calcium chloride plus water. Similarly, sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid react with the magnesium oxide to produce magnesium sulfate plus water. You can write as many as chemical reactions for the reaction of acids with metal oxide. But the general is acid react करते हैं metal oxide के साथ और क्या बनाते हैं? Salt plus water. Similarly, HCl react with the aluminium oxide to produce aluminium chloride plus water. Next is sodium oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide. So I already took number of examples of metal oxide. So what we can conclude from this reaction is acids are reacting with the metal oxide. So metal oxides are generally, there are few of the exceptions that we will discuss later. So acids are generally substances which react with the, question can be like this, why metal oxide react with the acid? Because metal oxides are generally basic in nature, that is why they reacting with the substance which is opposite in nature, acid. So acid base के साथ react कर रहा है, acid base के साथ react कर रहा है. So I hope these two chemical reactions are clear to everyone कि how acid react with the metal. They react with the metal to produce hydrogen gas, and they react with the metal oxide to produce salt and water. So you should be aware about their general reaction कि होता क्या है और बनता क्या है. So sodium plus HCl, sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, HCl plus sodium oxide, sodium chloride plus water. Sulfuric acid plus magnesium oxide, magnesium sulfate plus water. So that's how they react with each other. So I hope these two chemical reaction and few of the general physical properties are clear to everyone. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you, students.